Hi everyone, this is Sylvie with Craft Perfect. Today I want to show you another project that you can make in last minute for the Halloween. This is super easy but super cute. So let me show you how I do it. I will have all the paper measurement on my website. So the first, I am going to fold the card base in half. And I have one whisper white paper to be put inside the card so you can write a message on it. Okay. For the card front, this is my new fabric green color, granny apple green, and I emboss it with the new stylish scroll embossing folder. I have a problem to say that word, but I think you understand what I'm saying, right? So you just emboss it and you put in the front of the card. Okay. And now I am gonna to stamp my whisper white with the sentiment. Have a spectacular Halloween is from this spectacular bash stamp set. Okay. So okay. Then you can just put the glue in the bag like that. Okay. And I like my sentiment a little bit tilted, so I do like this way. Okay. And I have some designer series paper, so I'm gonna to stamp this pumpkin. And I'm using this New Harvest Hellos, and it's come with the punch. And I like about this, you can make this as a pumpkin, as an apple, and so it's very versatile. It's great for the Teacher's Day. So I am going to stamp the pumpkin, and I'm also gonna to put the scary face on it because this is the Halloween card. If you don't put this face, it can be a fall card. Okay, so I think it's very versatile, and this is a punch. Okay, and this punch, you can punch the fruit, and there's one for the stem and also for the leaf. So I think you have a lot of this scrap at home. This is the early espresso, so I'm gonna to put in here to punch the stem out. Okay, since I'm having here. And also I am gonna to stamp a leaf. In the stamp set, there's two kind of leaf, and this leaf actually you can punch it out, but I am using this leaf. Okay, so we have to hand cut it out. Okay. Okay. So we are cutting this out. So now we have the part for pumpkin. So I just put this in the center. Put the pumpkin here. And for the small area, I just put the glue to the stem and I tuck it through, okay? Then I also put glue on here. Then I kind of tuck through the leaves, or actually that, okay? And I have this linen thread. I'm gonna tie a bow. I use about 8-inch long. So you tie the bow, you can always can trim the extra out. So you just put on top of it. Okay. Okay, sometimes it need a little bit help so they will stay. So meanwhile, we can make the black cats. So you know I like everything has cats on it. So this is one of my favorite punch. So we're gonna to punch one black cats out. And I'm using the pop dot in the back of it. Okay, so that's gonna to be here. So we are gonna to put 2 rhinestone for the eyes. Ooh. Ta-da! So we make this card really quick. And I think they are super cute. What do you think? I think it's a time for you to make a lot more at home, right? Well, thank you so much for watching. Happy stamping. Hope you have a great Halloween and eat a lot of candies. Bye.